This 2017 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 24F is a Class C RV. It is located in Georgetown, Kentucky, 40324 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lexington. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2017 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 24F is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.